Most people use AI like a chatbot. They open ChatGPT, ask one question, get one answer, and then start over again the next day. But AI agents are different. An AI agent is not just there to answer questions. It can remember context, use tools, run workflows, and help with repeated tasks. And one tool people are talking about right now is Hermes Agent. So in this video, I'll explain what Hermes is, how it can help people, real use cases, and a few tips before you use it. Welcome back to AI Alpha by Mario, where I explain simple AI tools, agents, and workflows that help you save time, save money, and make more out of your day. Let's start simple. Hermes is an AI agent platform. That means it is designed to do more than just chat. In simple words, Hermes is like an AI assistant that can remember what you are working on and help you with repeated tasks over time. That is the important part. With a normal chatbot, you often have to explain everything again. With an agent like Hermes, the idea is that it can remember your context and become more useful the more you use it. So, how can Hermes actually help? Use case number one: daily research briefings. Let's say you are a creator, business owner, investor, freelancer, or student. Every day you want to know what is happening in your industry. Instead of manually checking websites, newsletters, X, YouTube, and competitor pages, you can use an agent to collect information and summarize what matters. For example, you could ask, every morning, summarize the top AI news, new tools, and business opportunities I should know about. This is useful because it saves time and helps you stay informed without scrolling for hours. Use case number two: content ideas and planning. For a channel like AI Alpha by Mario, Hermes could help collect trends, organize ideas, and suggest video topics. You could ask it, track new AI tools and give me 5 video ideas every morning, with hooks, titles, and use cases. That is useful because creators do not just need ideas once, they need ideas every day. The value of an agent is that it can help repeat this workflow instead of making you start from zero every time. Use case number three: customer support and operations. For a small business, Hermes can help with support tickets, common questions, summaries, and follow ups. For example, it could review incoming messages, classify them, draft replies, and highlight the important ones. This does not mean you should let AI blindly reply to customers. A better workflow is AI drafts the reply, you review it, then you send it. That way, you save time but still keep control. Use case number four: lead research and sales prep. If you have calls with clients or prospects, Hermes can help you prepare. Before a meeting, it could gather company information, summarize previous notes, find possible pain points, and create questions to ask. For example, prepare me for my call with this company. Summarize what they do, what they might need, and 3 ways my service could help. That can save 20 or 30 minutes before every call. For freelancers, agencies, consultants, real estate agents, and salespeople, this is very practical use case. Use case number five: repeated admin tasks. A lot of work is not difficult, it is just repetitive. Checking updates, summarizing notes, sending reminders, creating reports, organizing information, following up. If you do these tasks every week, an AI agent can help turn them into repeatable workflows. That is the difference between using AI once and building a system. Now, let's talk about a few tips before using Hermes. Tip 1: start with one workflow. Do not try to automate everything on day one. Pick one clear task. For example, send me a daily AI news briefing, or Summarize customer messages every morning. Or research leads before sales calls. If that one workflow saves time, then add another one. Tip number 2, give Hermes clear rules. AI agents need boundaries. Tell it what it can do, what it should not do, and when it should ask for approval. For example, draft emails, but do not send them without my approval. That one rule can prevent a lot of problems. Tip 3, check the setup path. Some AI agent tools are simple, others are more technical. Before using Hermes, check how it is set up, what integrations it supports, what it costs, and whether it fits your level. If you are a beginner, start with the easiest setup possible. The goal is not to look technical, the goal is to save time. Tip 4, do not trust automation blindly. Agents can make mistakes. They can misunderstand instructions. They can use outdated information. So use Hermes for drafts, summaries, research, and workflows, but keep human review for anything important. The big idea is this: Hermes is not just another chatbot. It is an AI agent that can remember context and help with repeated workflows. For creators, it can help with content ideas. For business owners, it can help with research and operations. For freelancers, it can help with leads and client prep. For teams, it can help with support, reports, and follow ups. The best way to use Hermes is not to ask, what can this tool do? Ask, what task do I repeat every week that I would love to stop doing manually? That is where AI agents become useful. If you're interested in Hermes, leave a comment with the use case you'd try first. Research, content, customer support, or sales. I'll use the best comments for future videos. And if you want more simple AI agent videos like this, subscribe to AI Alpha by Mario. See you in the next one.